Step right up if you dare. Welcome to American Key Supply's Haunted Cinema. Tonight's presentation, a terrifying double feature, guaranteed to lock your souls in fear. 2 monstrous deals, 2 deadly tales, 1 month only. 2 tales of unspeakable horror, 2 mechanical monstrosities, forged in steel and sharpened in shadow. And once you've seen them, you'll never see your shop the same way again.
She spins her web in the shadows of your toolbox. Silent, deadly, unavoidable. The Black Widow key cutter. So precise, it's frightening. So powerful, it cuts through the dark. And once it has you, there's no escape. Dare to invite the widow into your shop before she invites herself. From the darkness of the abyss, beneath the surface in waters darker than night, something ancient awaits. Legends say it was sealed away, a beast of iron and fury. But legends aren't always enough to keep the truth buried. The Triton is no ordinary machine. It cuts with the strength of the sea and the wrath of the deep. Once the Kraken awakes, there is no escape from its grip. Purchase either machine today and receive a free JMA Nomad Go. But hurry, this deal won't last long. This is the deal of the month, presented by American Key Supply. Rated L for locksmiths only.